gonna start with this guy right here. This used to be in the background of my videos, but I moved him out here because he was getting too tall. He's almost as tall as me when he's on this stool. Okay. Snake plants are very easy to take care of. I have not killed a snake plant yet, and I've killed a lot of plants, as you will see. This is one of my pothos, and he is doing really well here. He was dead for a while, like completely dead, like floppy, but then he perked right back up. We have another snake plant. This is here temporarily because I decorated for Christmas. Another really easy plant to take care of, and this one has like the gold along the edges, which I actually kind of like better than the really dark green one. Show them Death Row.
Death Row.
This is Death Row. This plant I got for my birthday, and it's completely black. I don't know what happened. I didn't water it. Well, I watered it once, and then I think somebody poisoned it. This is really sad. I was really sad when this one died. I don't know what happened. I really don't. But anyways, these are just here as a in memoriam.
Where all plants come to die.
This is my peace lily. Another really easy plant to take care of. Little effort. Doesn't die.
Perfect for you. Perfect for you.
Over here we have my money plant. It's a money tree actually. I'm hoping it's gonna grow really tall. Another very resilient plant. I have to buy resilient plants because you don't want them to die. Next we have my favorite. I can't pick favorites, but this one was...
Do any of them have names?
No, well they do, but I don't really call them by their names. This is my favorite. It's a monstera. Actually, the previous owner of this house left it for me, which was really nice because I'm sure it would have been like 40 bucks if I had purchased it myself. Came home one day. Oh, actually, I came home after vacation and I found it tipped over and sprawled on the ground with all the dirt like everywhere. And I put it back up and he's doing fine. We also have these really pretty roots that are coming in. I accidentally chopped them off when I first saw them because I thought they were ugly. But now I like them and I'm not gonna break the plant anymore. So this is my monstera. It's really great. I love it. Okay, moving on. This is dying, but I bought it with you. Didn't I buy it with you?
In IKEA?
No, at Safeway.
Yeah.
I bought it with you. And look at it, it's doing terribly. I don't know what is wrong with this plant. I water it like once a week and it's still browning everywhere. Palm is not doing well. I think these are quite hard to take care of. Oh, look at it. It also had fungus for a while.
Look at that funky
okay,
roots
stop.
it's got going.
Him.
Him, oh, they're also gendered.
Well, this one is. I think plants actually have genders. I think they do, like blueberry bushes do.
Really?
Yeah, they do.
Blueberry bushes have genders?
I think so. Like you need to mate the male and the female to get.
Oh, really? That's super interesting.
Yeah, I think.
I did not know that.
I don't know. Maybe.
Don't quote us.
This is another favorite of mine. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's called, like its fake name is called dumb cane because when you lick it, you go mute. I read that online. Don't lick it. Don't.
Should we put it to the test?
Should I try it? I moved him for a bit and then his leaves got droopy and now I've put him back here so hopefully he will perk back up and he has a new leaf coming in here, but so pretty. I love this plant. I'm gonna get another one, I think. You know the Canadian Prime Minister, Diefenbaker? That's what he is.
Oh, okay.
That's not his actual name, but that's what I called it, Diefenbaker. Next, we have another plant that the previous owner of this house gifted me. She left it here. I think this is called like a Jesus plant. It has flowers in the spring at Easter, and it also has flowers at Christmas.
That's cool.
Yeah, I think. I don't know its real name, but Jesus.
The Jesus plant.
Jesus.
Jesus.
This is another favorite. I pick a lot of favorites in this house. I can't be a mom. This is my Norfolk pine. He is also my Christmas tree, my Charlie Brown Christmas tree. I just decorated him for Christmas. It also goes brown really quick. It's pretty tricky to take care of Norfolk pines. This is what I've discovered. But I moved him closer to the window. I am facing west and north, so like northwest. And I put him by my west facing window. Hopefully he will do better here. All right, another favorite. We have my really big pothos.
Basically anything that isn't dying is your favorite.
This is my another one.
Look at this.
Like my Slytherin socks.
Oh, little. Let's get a close up of those.
I only wore them because they were green. This was a Christmas video.
Oh, right. Okay.
This is another golden pothos, and he's getting very, very long. Very long.
Oh, dang.
He's kind of curled up in here, but I think he actually quite likes this spot. He's kind of tilting a bit though, so I don't know. By the way, this is also a video where I'm soliciting for plant knowledge and plant tips. If you have any care tips for any of my plants, please let me know. I like to be considered a plant mom, but I've also killed a lot.
As we saw.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Okay, this is not dead. This is actually 2 years old. This is a poinsettia, a white poinsettia. I got it when I first moved in here, which was Christmas 2017. And this is how he's doing right now. Kind of looking dead, but he's also heading into his 3rd year in the same pot that I got him. He drops a lot of leaves, and then the leaves make my ground sticky, so I'm kind of waiting for him to die, honestly. This is what I got for my birthday in 2018. I have really bad luck with succulents. I don't keep a lot of them alive. I hope that these are new leaves coming in and it's not like doing that thing where it grows really fast and then it dies. I really like this guy. This is, oh, it has a name. Dracana marginata. Marginata.
All those plant people out there.
Name. This one was called George, I think. I think I called it George.
Looks like a George.
Looks like a George. I kind of like it in this corner. It looks cool when it's next to the mirror. Again, pretty easy to take care of. It's pretty resilient. I water it like once a week. And then we have new shelves that I put up.
Ooh.
From Winners Home Sense. I put temporary plants. I don't know what they're called. They're just temporarily up here until I get some like drapey plants to put up here with like lots of vines.
Oh yeah.
Because those would be pretty.
They'd be super pretty.
But these are the temporary
Like your favorite one in the corner up there.
Oh yes, a pothos. Kind of dying because they're not really in the correct pots, but who knows. My favorite areas, it's my cactus succulent corner. So that one is called a Pearl of Nuremberg.
Pearl of Nuremberg.
This is a cactus. I also need to repot it into something new because I don't like it showing the plastic thing, but for now that's my cactus. I actually really like that one. This one, I think I'm killing, and I don't understand how you can kill cactus. I water them once a month. I don't know, you get any fuzzies on it? I need help with this one, so please share. This one is, I actually think this might be like another kind of Nuremberg pearl thing. I got this one for free at work one time. They were giving away succulents, but look, it's got all these like new things. I don't even know what those are. Watch out, you're gonna poke yourself with the cactus. This is, I think this is called like a zebra plant because it's got the white stripes. I might have made that up, I'm not sure. This is like one of the succulents that I can actually keep alive. Pretty hard to kill, I feel like. I water it once a month. Watch it die next month. No, they said that. This guy was another filler plant that I just got. I actually think it's meant to be outside, but in the meantime, I put it in this Santa pot for Christmas. And you can also take a look now at my lovely Christmas display. Don't miss that guy up there.
That's the one that she didn't want me to miss, in case anyone's wondering.
All right, moving along.
What about your green onions?
Oh yeah, they're gonna be great, thanks.
The only important ones, they're edible, and she's like, nah.
This is in my living room. It's also a house tour now. I did one last year, by the way, but I got a TV. That's new. That wasn't in my last year's video. I love that TV. Summertime, that shelf is gonna become a plant shelf.
Just plants?
Okay, we have another.
Oh, the plant tour never ends. Wow, look at this.
We have another peace lily. This one's not doing so well. It could be the location. Round edges, can't figure out what's killing it. Looking a little droopy. I think I need to relocate or repot it. We have this bamboo tree. Right beside my Mother Mary. Don't show Mother Mary. This is actually a really pretty plant. Hope it grows taller. I put these shelves up myself.
Look at that.
These shelves are from IKEA, by the way. This is another pothos. It's slightly different looking. It's kind of more like a lighter green and it has more like white veining. But it's really, really pretty and I'm hoping that it'll grow like long and trail
That is super
down
pretty.
the shelf. Yeah, it's really nice. I love it.
Instruction by Chris.
Yeah.
That's your next YouTube channel?
This is my TARDIS blanket bed.
This thing's really tall. You guys can't can't appreciate this, but this is like super tall. Like it's like up to Chris's waist.
This is my beloved aloe vera.
Do you jump into bed? Like,
yes.
Yeah, you have to. I guess you kind of have to.
I like leap up.
Yeah, okay. Sorry.
This is my beloved aloe vera. And as you can tell, it's not doing great. It's like completely bendy. This one dried out. Somebody please give me tips on aloe vera. I mean, it has like new babies coming in. New babies. But all the other big ones are like drooping. Can't figure it out. I stopped watering it as much. I water it like once a month or maybe twice a month. But yeah, help please.
But help, please.
Help.
Please, SOS. SMP?
SMP. See my plants. So I used to have the snake plant that I showed you in the living room, the first plant. That used to be behind me, but now I put this rubber tree. I love rubber trees. I hope it survives back here, we'll see. I need to get another rubber tree plant because I think they're so pretty and they can grow really, really tall. Up here, which you guys don't see in my videos, this was actually the start of my plant obsession. I got this when I volunteered at a care home. It was like with the horticulturist. I don't know, she's a lady that took care of the plants and helped the seniors with it. But I left volunteering there, she gave me this plant and it was a teeny baby before and now it's like blooming. It's a peperomia. Sometimes I worry that it's dying. I worry about that a lot with my plants.
Proud mama moment.
Proud mama. This is a Pilea. I recently put it here because it was dropping leaves like crazy. It was on the other shelf where the pothos was, but it was dropping leaves like crazy and I looked it up yesterday about what could possibly be wrong and I think it was not getting enough light. Oh yeah, this is my beautiful window that you guys don't see really in the background. But there you go. Anyways, that's my Pilea. And last plant is this guy right here, which you guys always see in the background of my videos. I think it's called an elephant plant. I made that up. I don't know where I get these names from. I'm actually going to, I think, move it into the living room and get a new plant. Come on. I want to get like a big savanna kind of palm tree. You can help me pick it up. Or another monstera. Put something else in the background because I'm getting kind of tired of seeing that one in the background of my videos. So I'm going to move him to the living room and get a new plant for back there. Change it up.
Change it up.
Here. And that is my plant tour. Really have a lot, but need more. That's the motto. Need more plants.
Need more plants.